Greeting, Professor. My name is Song Sin Chun.
I am Chandratha Yang.
My name is Man Kim Sang.
I am Patrick.
My name is Beponarat.
My name is Minh Hai.
We are Group 6. So the topic of our presentation today is going to talk about Tesla. So this is the table of our content. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the background, the challenge, key issues, stakeholders, and objective of bridging gap. So to start things off, let's talk a bit about the background of Tesla. So Tesla is an industry leader in the electric vehicle market who inspired other firms to invest in electric vehicle technology. The approach is to transportation with highly innovative technology. They have also made significant strides in developing autonomous vehicles and solar energy integration. So to take a look at Tesla, as you know, the founder of Tesla are Martin Eckhart and Mark Tarpenning. They founded Tesla in 2003. And the CEO of Tesla, as everybody knows, is the world's richest man, Elon Musk. So Tesla mission statement is stated that they want to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. And Tesla vision statement is to create the most compelling car company of the 21st century by driving the world's transition to an electric vehicle. So currently, Tesla produces cars in 3 countries, which are the US, China, and Germany. And there's still more than 50 countries. So according to New York Times in 2020, Tesla sold 499,550 vehicles, which is a 36% increase compared to the previous year. And this growth has contributed to Tesla increasing market shares and financial success. And also, according to Teslarati, this year Tesla has significantly increased its total sales by 121.8% compared to the previous year. Besides the growth and success of the company, Tesla also faces challenges that need to be addressed. So for the challenge part, I'm going to hand it over to my team members.
Moving on to my part, I will be talking about the second question, are the challenges to the story. Basically, there are 5 challenges include quality, safety, geographic, reliability, and environmental. The first one, quality. Tesla faced the perception of quality issue where some Tesla owners have reported overall certification, while others have experienced issue with fit, fitness, paint quality, uneven application, and color mismatches. And the second challenge is safety. Safety concern include both customer and employee safety of Tesla. And the third one is geographic. Some region may have limited coverage or slower expansion, making it less convenient or feasible for potential Tesla owner in those areas, as well as climate and weather condition can affect the performance and range of Tesla. And moreover, people in low-income country are concerned about the high price of Tesla. And the fourth challenge is reliability. People lose reliability on Tesla vehicle due to common issues that include software bug, malfunctioning screen, and occasional mechanical or electrical problem. Also, poor service center and longer time for repair would also decrease reliability and the level of customer certification. And the last challenge of Tesla company is environmental. Tesla lithium mining activity might cause concern to the community because it might cause the water pollution. That is all about my part.
Thank you. So now let me present about the key issue. So among the challenge that Tesla faced, the key issue that I would like to address is safety, which disconnect between the company value and the data that I have researched. So Tesla maintained that their vehicle with the autopilot engaged have lower accident rate if we compare to the average rate. But on the other hand, the concern about the customer safety is raised when there are some reverse data. So there are over a dozen accidents that report by NHTSA on Tesla autopilot system due to the error on auto lane system limitation and brake failure when it is in complex situation. Moreover, according to NTSB, the Model 3 driver was killed in the accident because the system did not detect the driver hand on well, and which made him lose control on his vehicle. The error in software of Tesla can not only affect the driver, but also the community safety as a whole. For example, touchscreen freezing or system unresponsiveness can cause Tesla vehicle to swerve or brake suddenly, which can cause accident in both other vehicle and the pedestrian. In addition, Tesla has been accused of in workplace violence, alleging the company prioritize the productivity target over customer safety. According to the report by Guardian, the Tesla factory worker addressed that they are harsh working experience and stress due to long working hours. Many have been spent 2 days a week taking medical leave and quit their job. One of the workers also commented that everything feels like the future but us. It means that while Tesla is often seen as a leader in technology innovation, it falls short in advocating for worker safety. However, Tesla has attempted to counter the allegation and defend its position without finding the proper solution for the customer and the employee in workplace. So this results in stakeholder dissatisfaction and a disconnect between the company value, what the customer and the employee in workplace expect the company to take safety seriously and should hold them accountable when the safety measure fall short. This is the end of my part, so let's move to the stakeholder part.
Coming to my part, I'm going to talk about the 3 key stakeholders that are impacted by the key issues we have identified. These 3 major stakeholders are communities, employees, and customers. Now I will be talk about the 4 steps to analyze these stakeholders. The first step is identifying stakeholders. Communities and customers are the external stakeholders since they are not working within the organization. However, they have the authority to affect the business performance. Employee is the internal stakeholders because they are the one who works for the company and have a direct relationship with the company. Move on to the second step is understanding stakeholders. For communities, they may be concerned about the safety that has been mentioned and environmental impact. For example, according to the Earth Organization, even though lithium mining is a safe way to produce Tesla vehicles, it can also harm to the environment, such as land degradation, deforestation, soil contamination, and water pollution. And for customers, they may have concern about the safety and reliability of Tesla autopilot feature, which offers advanced driver assistant capabilities. There is another concern about the overpriced Tesla vehicles generally have higher initial purchase prices compared to gasoline-powered car or even other electric vehicles. And as for employees, Tesla prioritize their production target and forgets about employee health and stress due to long hours of work. This can be challenging for employees to strive for a healthy work-life balance, as it may lead to a negative impact on their personal life. Employees may also concern about the unsafe environment, including high work pressure. This contribute to potential lapse in safety measure, as employees may feel pressure to prioritize productivity over safety precaution. And that's the end of my part.
So the next is about the third step that we prioritize stakeholder. So Tesla high priority is community, and community is the definitive stakeholder that hold the power, legitimacy, and urgency in Tesla company. Community is the key factor that help Tesla to build their brand reputation, and they are involved with the company plan and development. Tesla always communicate with the community as much as they can to provide their long-term success in the industry with their new advanced technology. For second priority is customer. Customer are also definitive stakeholder in Tesla company, and Tesla has always communicated with customer because they are the one who give Tesla revenue and provide recommendation to improve their brand quality. As some other Tesla customer had also been faced the accident due to the Tesla automobile or vehicle. So Tesla had to provide immediate solution to help and solve the customer concern. This will have to guarantee their customer service and brand reputation. And the third priority is the employee. In Tesla, employees are the dominant stakeholder. They have power and legitimacy, but they lack of urgency. Employees provide ideas and take action to ensure the company efficiency, but the company did not provide them with immediate solution because there are many reports that show that Tesla employee had been injured and ill during the work process. So move to the next slide. Is about the step number 4, that about the plan to communicate with stakeholders. Community is the highest priority in Tesla. Our community's concerned about safety and lithium mining. Tesla need to listen to community concern and communicate more with them. And they must inform their community that they use a safe lithium mining solution, which help to reduce water pollution. It will show how professional the company is and how much it cares about environmental safety. And about the customer is the second priority in Tesla. For customer concern about the safety of autopilot system and the overpricing, Tesla need to inform customer about their new technology and safety function to make sure that their autopilot function is very safe and reliable for their customer with lower price points that are more affordable. They will have to improve customer satisfaction and ensure their long-term relationship with their customers. For employee is the third priority in Tesla. And the employee concerned the most about the unsafe workplace. So Tesla need to let employees know that they will be protected with the safety environment, medical care, and incentive. Tesla must ensure to have employees to solve any problem fairly. This way it will help employees know that the company cares about them and value them, so they will be work even more harder. So this is the end of my part.
So continue to my part, I will talk about the strategy to bridge the gap. Tesla is a company known for its innovative electric vehicle and sustainable energy with its renewable energy solution. However, it often faces divergent narrative when it comes to the perception of its autopilot self-driving technology and employee safety concern in the workplace. So to bridge the gap between Tesla's desired narrative and stakeholder perception regarding its autopilot technology, the company should prioritize transparency by providing comprehensive user manual and documentation that clearly explain the proper operation, maintenance, and safety precaution. Truly investigate the accident and take responsibility for the accident caused by an error system.
And-
Tesla can continue to improve their autopilot system by adding more sensors and cameras to their vehicle to improve the detection and checking of other vehicle and obstacle on the road to enhance safety feature and reduce the risk of accidents. Addressing safety concerns related to a violent workplace, the company should establish a zero tolerance policy, implementing a comprehensive safety program, ensure the safety and well-being of employees at Tesla, encourage, motivate, and create an open space for employees to listen to their problem and take action instead of firing the employee who complain about their well-being concerns. And overall, by implementing those strategies, Tesla can work toward bridging the gap between its design narrative of autopilot technology safety and workplace violence, enhance Tesla's reputation as a responsible and caring company, improve stakeholder perception, build strong communication between the company and all stakeholders, and potentially attracting more investor and customer. So that is the end of our presentation. Thank you.